Hello everyone, in this lesson you will learn how to install the latest virtual machine and how to solve the C++ visual issue during the VirtualBox installation, and then how to install the Windows Server 2022. So in the first step you need to download the virtual machine from this link. During the installation of VirtualBox, so you will get this message that you need Visual C++ 2019 redistribution package. So how to fix this error? So we need to install this package. So you need to open this link to install the latest package. So now again you will run the VirtualBox file, and this time it will be successfully installed on your machine. So now you can install the Server 2022 ISO file from this link. So you can register and make your account for the free trial, and it's very simple. You can just fill this form and then you will get the link for the download. So now you will create the new machine, and then you can just write the name of Server 2022 and select the platform, and this should be Windows 2022 64-bit. You can adjust some hardware, the base memory and the processor, and just press next and finish. Open the setting area, and in the storage you can just select the empty and select the ISO file, downloaded one, and then you can start the machine. So installation is take some time. It's depend on your device speed, and specification as well. So you can just customize the setting, write the username and the password here. So the server installation is complete. Now it's ready to use. So you can just open the CD drive link for the bigger screen, and you need to install this program. So after installing this CD image program, then you can restart the system. And now you can just click on the full screen mode, and automatically it will be open in the full screen. Thanks for watching.